Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how to wire your own fire alarms. Now, supplies you need: pull box, any sort, and a fire alarm device. Adjustable or non-adjustable. 2 wires of any sort, black. I did black and white. The black one has white stripes on it. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're also gonna need a screwdriver. Alright, so what you need is back at the pole station, you're gonna put the black wire to the negative and then the white wire to the positive. The positive is the plus, the negative is the minus. So I'm gonna put this wire, I'm gonna put it right inside, right into the negative of the pole station. Alright, and then quickly screw it on so it doesn't get loose. Righty tighty. Alright, make sure you pull a little bit to make sure it's on there all the way. Alright, and then what you're going to do with the other wire, you're going to put it on the negative side of the fire alarm device. Alright, get that screwed on. Alright, so you have it connected to your pole station. Alright, now with the white wire, you're going to do it with the positive side. So I'm going to put a wire, tangled up. One wire, this is the pole station. Straighten out. And you do need to have this plugged in order for it to start running. And then put your, I'm going to move the keyboard so I can get closer to the pole station. This wire needs to go onto the positive side of the pole station. Alright. And voila. Both alarms connected to each other. Now, let's try it out. I am using a Wheelock RSS and a Wheelock MT. I'll put it this way. Oh, buddy. So, Wheelock and a Firelight BG12. Let's pull it. And there you go. It's flashing. It's flickering because that's how the strobe's supposed to be. Bring this gear down a little bit so you see. And those who are watching that can't deal with bright lights, flashing lights, please leave this video now. Oh, so I left it on. I left it locked. I locked it. There we go. That's how you wire a firelight. That's how you wire a Firelight BG12 to Wheelock RSS. Now the Wheelock RSS is waterproof, so it can go outside. So yeah. So that's how you wire a Firelight BG12 to a Wheelock RSS. Flash this quick. Let's watch that. We're going to open it up and we're going to do it from the inside. We're going to flip the switch. It's like the middle of the strobe is like illuminating in my eyes. I love this thing. I really do, guys. It is amazing. Alright, so wrap it up on my video. Comment, like, subscribe, turn post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Delicious.